Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here at Full Throttle. Thank you very much for tuning in on today's episode. We are back on the GLK350 build series, and we're going to be upgrading the factory halogen bulbs to brand new LED high performance bulbs. So actually, I'll be honest with you, we did this a few months ago, and I'm already having issues. It was just a cheap set off Amazon. I say cheap, the quality was cheap, the price not so much. And I'm already having major issues. A lot of flickering with one bulb and the other bulb constantly coming on and off whenever it likes. So it's a very hazardous driving situation. So I'm very excited to install some high performance, high quality LED bulbs from Auxito. I will announce today's sponsor for the episode is the Auxito manufacturer and brand. They've sent us a brand new H7. These are the LED light Q16 bulbs for the GLK, and they've also sent us out some 194 accessory lighting. So this is for the interior and exterior. If you're not familiar with the Auxito brand, they've been around since 2016, manufacturing high performance LED bulbs and light accessories for all things automotive. So whether it's interior, exterior, on-road, off-road applications, they will have you covered with anything you need. So be sure to check out the link down in the description below to their website. If you don't see your vehicle or your application listed in the drop-down menu and you're not quite sure which style bulb you may need, reach out to their customer service team and they'll be able to help you figure out what bulb will meet your needs and suit your application the best. Their customer service is some of the best I've ever seen out there. And honestly, guys, one of their brand core values is honesty and integrity. So that's one thing that has excited me when they reached out to do a collaboration with them, is just their entire core value of their company and what they stand for as a brand. Otherwise, guys, I'll leave a link down in the description below to their website. And also, guys, huge $10 coupon savings down in the description below. And I have one huge benefit with the Auxito brand. They offer a VIP rewards program for all of their customers. All you have to do is sign up. It does not cost anything to sign up, but every purchase you make, you'll start earning rewards, and those rewards will get you free products in the future. So definitely sign up for that. Check out all of the links down below, and don't forget that $10 coupon if you're going to make a purchase. Let's not waste any more time and get these things opened up and installed. All right, guys, you can see I got the old one out, cheap brand off Amazon. When I say cheap, I mean quality, because these were still about 60 bucks and they only lasted about 3 months. So it did not last very long at all. But you can see the huge size comparison versus the one off Amazon and then the Auxito brand. Major difference. And then the size of the LED chips, we have 8, a touch smaller size each chip, but we have 8 of them per side versus 3 per side. So that's 16 LED chips versus 6. So the light output should be much better. And then again, guys, overall quality, I think the Auxito brand is much better. And you're going to have less issues with direct fitment on OEM applications because of this extension. It does not have that. This is the same size as a factory halogen bulb. Now, one thing to keep in mind, guys, never touch the LED chips. Same as a halogen bulb, you never want to touch the glass. But either way, we have this one all plugged in. I have to just get it in the housing now. So with the GLKs, if you're not familiar and you're doing the same application, once that's in there, you kind of want that tab that you can see there facing down, and you always want the LED chips facing 9 to 3. You never want them up like that. And then there's just a retaining clip on the very top. All right, so that's one down, one to go. All right, guys, as you've seen there, we got the second one installed. So now we have both brand new Auxito Q16 LED bulbs installed. Let's fire her up and see how bright they really are. There we go, guys. We have both of them working. They look fantastic, but we're not going to really know until we go out at night and put these things to the test. Now, one thing I will mention, guys, anytime you replace headlight bulbs, I do highly recommend to check the levelness and aim the headlights. It's a very important thing to do, especially if it hasn't been done in a very long time. You want to level out those headlights and aim them so that way you're getting the best possible light output that your vehicle can offer. Otherwise, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to stay tuned for more on the Auxito light brand. We also still have to do some interior light upgrades as well, but I figured I'd split that up into 2 episodes to keep it shorter for you guys. So check out all the links down in the description below for the upcoming videos as well. The link for the Auxito website and that $10 coupon code link is down in the description below as well. So if you're going to purchase anything, save yourself some money, check out that link. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for your love and support. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, you guys know what to do. Keep her at full throttle.